Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is nag-close ng red candle and below average yung volume. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So kung makikita natin, BTC is approaching support area natin, which is trendline support. And currently, may mga green candle na sumasalo but below average yung volume. So what we expect sa ganitong scenario? So currently, nasa uptrend momentum tayo dahil hindi pa rin binabasag ni BTC yung previous higher low natin as in validation ng uptrend momentum. So the moment na basagin ni BTC yung trendline resistance, possible nagkaroon lang tayo ng retracement or pullback. And breaking this previous high is only a continuation ng uptrend. The moment naman nabasagin ni BTC yung support area natin, possible magkaroon tayo ng another weakness sa buyers and to continue yung downtrend momentum and possible lumalim pa yung retracement. We will wait pa rin kung saan ba magbabasag si BTC. Dito ba sa trendline resistance to gain momentum sa uptrend again? Or sign of weakness the moment na basagin niya yung trendline support natin.